Hi guys, I'm just going to show you how to find tools for your toolbar if the ones that you're looking for are missing. So what I have here is just a blank Photoshop file, but more importantly, I've got a toolbar. So this is our toolbar here, and it has a certain number of tools in there, but sometimes there are tools that you might see on a video and you think, I don't have that. How do I find it? Well, I'm going to show you how to do that now. Firstly, if you can't see your tools, you can just simply go to, if you can't see your toolbar, just go to Window and make sure that you've checked tools, okay? So that's how you find the whole toolbar, but some tools are actually hidden. So how do we find them? Okay. Over here, we've got three little buttons, and if I click on it, it gives me all these tools that were not visible in my toolbar. If I click Edit Toolbar, I can actually add those ones. So for instance, if I scroll down, if I look at on the left, this is my existing toolbar, and on the right are the extra ones that I can't see. So for instance, if I wanted a rectangle tool, I'd click on it and I would drag it over. Okay. And then I click done. And then you can see my rectangle tool is now visible in my toolbar. So that is how you can add extra tools to your toolbar. I hope that helps. Thank you. Bye now.